Before buying a tennis ball machine, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1: VIV Advanced Tennis Balls. The VIV Advanced Tennis Balls caught my eye with their bulk packaging options. You can get them in packs of 30, 50, or even 100 for around $38.04. If you want durable practice balls that last through countless sessions, this is worth a serious look. And with over 600 units sold in the past month, it's clear this is a popular choice among players. Now, I did notice that some users pointed out that the balls might lose their bounce over time. Here's the thing though, if you're using them regularly, it's expected to replace practice balls after a while. So while they may not last forever, for the price and quantity, they're a solid deal. This is perfect for you if you're a frequent player looking for reliable practice balls. Skip this one if you're just starting out or only play occasionally, as you might not need so many at once. Product number 2: NEEWER Tennis Ball Collector Roller. Next up is the NEEWER Tennis Ball Collector Roller, priced at $81.16. This nifty tool caught my attention because it eliminates the hassle of bending down to pick up balls. If you want to save your back and time, this is definitely worth a look. The roller can collect up to 40 tennis balls effortlessly. It rolls over balls and gathers them without you having to bend or strain, making your practice sessions much more efficient. Plus, it's lightweight and portable, so you can easily fit it in your trunk or carry it around. It's designed for various surfaces, but keep in mind it's not ideal for overly smooth ones like tiles. Some reviews mention that the setup can be tricky at first, but honestly, if you follow the instructions, it should be straightforward. If you're someone who practices often and wants to minimize downtime, this is still a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you're tired of bending over repeatedly during practice. Skip this one if you're looking for something more compact, as it does take up some space. Product number 3: Wilson Balls Hooper. The Wilson Balls Hooper comes in at around $50.72, and it's a simple yet effective option. What stood out to me was its ability to hold up to 90 tennis balls, making it great for longer practice sessions. If you want a reliable way to organize your balls, this is definitely worth considering. It features a lid to prevent spills, which is a small but essential design element. The handles fold down for easy feeding into your practice area, so it's not just practical, it's user-friendly too. With over 100 sold recently, it seems many are opting for this method of ball storage. However, some users mention that it can be a bit wobbly when fully loaded. Now, if you're using it for casual practice, it shouldn't be a deal breaker, but if you're serious about your training, you might want something sturdier. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward solution for ball collection and transport. Skip this one if you need something ultra-stable for intense practice sessions. Product number 4: Lightweight Tennis Ball Hopper. The Lightweight Tennis Ball Hopper is another solid contender, priced similarly at $50.72. What impressed me is its ability to hold over 50 tennis balls while remaining ultralight. If you want something portable that makes ball collection a breeze, this is worth your attention. This hopper features a spring-assisted mechanism, which allows for quick ball collection without straining your back. The self-supporting mesh design keeps everything in place, even when it's full. This has been a hit, with many buyers appreciating its efficiency. On the downside, some users found the assembly instructions a bit lacking, but I'll be real with you, once you get it set up, it's quite easy to use. If you're looking for something that makes practices easier, this is a great option. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight and efficient ball collection tool. Skip this if you need something that holds an exceptionally high number of balls. Product number 5: Spinshot Pro Tennis Ball Machine. Finally, we have the Spinshot Pro Tennis Ball Machine, which is definitely on the higher end at $1,520.78. This caught my attention because it's the only tennis ball machine not made of plastics, which speaks to its durability. If you want an advanced ball machine that stands the test of time, this one is worth considering. It also offers flexible power options, including a battery charger. although the actual battery comes separately. This is particularly useful for those who want to practice anywhere without being tethered to an outlet. However, some users noted that the price might be a hurdle for casual players. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about improving your game, investing in a quality machine can make a huge difference in your practice sessions. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your tennis game and want a durable, easy-to-use machine. Skip this if you're just playing casually, as the investment may not be justified for occasional use. So we covered 5 fantastic tennis ball machines and accessories. The VIV Advanced Tennis Balls for durability, the NEEWER Collector for easy pickup, the Wilson Hooper for organization, the Lightweight Hopper for portability, and the SpinShot Pro for serious players. Each has its strengths, so consider what fits your practice needs best.